Hey guys, I'm Kendra. I'm back here in our kitchen again, showing you guys another super quick recipe that you can use to make with some of our leftovers that you may have brought home. So I have our cream corn. This is usually all gone, to be honest with you. This is one of our most popular side dishes that we have. Cream cheese, corn, lots of goodness. But if you do happen to have a little bit left, and you are making some chili or stew or soups for the fall, a super good way to use this is to take some cornbread mix. Now you can definitely make this from scratch. I didn't. I just used some of this cornbread mix, super easy, an egg, some vegetable oil. I cut out a little bit of the milk that goes in it, and instead I put a little bit of our cream corn in there, and I used my wooden spoon and I stirred it up, and I'm just gonna pop it in the oven and I'm gonna bake it according to the directions real quick. And then when it comes out, we can put some melted butter, some honey on it, and serve it with our favorite fall meal. So our cream cornbread is done. I'm gonna let this cool just a little bit, but I am gonna dump a little bit of butter on there. We were just at the state fair and we stopped by the honey booth. I know a lot of you guys like to go and get those like honey sticks they have. And we got some of this locally grown Kansas hot honey. And this stuff's got a kick to it, but it's really good. And again, this is optional, but we're gonna put just a little bit over the top while this is nice and hot, and just kind of make it a little bit different for tonight. It'd be very similar to like if you made a jalapeno cornbread. You just don't have to have the jalapeno chunks in there. And then once this is cool, we can cut it up and we're gonna have it with our brisket chili tonight.